You can download HandBrake on handbrake.fr. On the main page you have the download button, so just click on it. Automatically you get this pop-up and you can save it. Once it's downloaded, you can just open it. You click yes, and then you have the installer. So you can press next. This is the new license, so the GPL, which is very common in the open source space. So you can trust that, it's good. Next, you can choose a destination folder. I'll leave it by default. Install and finish. So now it's installed. You have the icon on the desktop. You can double click it. And here you go. So per default, the language will be the one of the system. So if you want to change it, you can go in Preference. And then User Interface, or depending on the current language, you can see a different one. So you can choose if you want English or any other specific one, or the system language. And then there is no save button. All you have to do is to close it. And when you reopen the application, it will be in the language you chose. So I chose to use the system language, and for me it's Windows and English. So there you go, you have it installed on Windows.